Good morning, dear friends. Undoubtedly, Corona has brought major changes in our life. Our way of thinking, way of working, and way of living has totally been changed. So, Corona disaster has truly proven Darwin's theory survival for the fittest. Because the people who do not adapt themselves according to the changing environment, so they are the threat. So they have become endangered species. As the uh, survival for the fittest proves that the animals who are not able to adapt themselves according to the circumstances, they are eaten up by other animals, and they do not find their existence on the world. Similarly, if the people do not bring changes in their attitude, in their learning, or they not change themselves according to the demand of the coming world, so I'm sorry to tell you that they have to face unpleasant consequences afterwards. So dear, this is very important time for all of us, not to be scared but to be prepared. So you should try to master some of the skills in yourself which will help you in the coming era. So you may choose some of the fields of your interest where you can feel comfortable to work on, and that will those skills will help you to earn good livelihood afterwards. So this could be easily available on either internet, online, and sometimes some people may choose their passion, they may turn into the profession, because this is a time we can do this as the major changes are coming into our lives, and the time which we would never we could not find in the past, we can find that time to work on our passion, and we can realize that, and also this will become a good source of earning for all of us. So the fields which are coming into boom after the lockdown, so if you skill yourself for that, you there the sky will be the end. You won't find any scarcity in earning and in having a good life afterwards. So first of all, what I feel, which is the most important skill to be learned by everyone, that is the communication skill. Undoubtedly, this was demanded in the past also, but now it has become a necessity. It is no more of an option. Wherever you want to work, you have to be you have to be communically very sound. So your communication skills should be very sound there. So learn this at this time, as you have ample time to work on this and learn this. So if you want to work in any field and do any job, so this will be the first demand of the employer. And if you want to work online also, in that case also, to be confident, apart from your mastery on your own subject on field, this will be the most wanted field to work on. So second is what I feel, that another field which is to work on, or which the skill which is to be work on, that is digital marketing. This is the digital work. This is the coming world will be of the digital world, and one has to be digitally equipped. And the people who do not bring changes, who do not learn this skill, they won't find their space in the coming time, because they will not feel comfortable while working, as the people have to work online, and this will be the first space to work on. So the in digital work, you can start working some of the skills in the influencer marketing. It may be the social media marketing, it could be email marketing, it could be WhatsApp marketing, but any business that will be totally dependent upon all this. So we have found in the recent past that with the TikTok or the YouTube, that people were turned the hero from the zero overnightly. They got the stardom without even thinking, without imagining. It was beyond their imagination, the stardom they got within few days. And similarly, Now the coming era would be of the such type of it is the time that if you learn yourself, if you learn the digital skills, so it will help you a lot to lead your livelihood afterwards. So the third field to work in on is the video editing. I feel that is the most interesting and entertaining field, and this is most wanted also, as every business that will grow on the video editing, as the advertisements are the backbone of any industry. So the this advertisement cannot be done without video editing, or the good videos, and the good videos cannot be made without editing, and the video editors will be highly demanded in the coming era. So if you have interest in video making, so you can learn this skill and make yourself specialized for that by editing, learning animation in this field, and you will flow with the flow of the word rather than staying at the same point as staying at your home. So this is the time to learn this skill, which will give you immense money in the coming future. So another field, that fifth field that is you can work on, that is the sales. Sales, I will definitely say that it is the convincing power of, I won't say that it's a sales field, it is a convincing power of yours. So you should work on the convincing power. Otherwise, some people, they have inbuilt character in themselves, they have extraordinary influencing power, they can convince the people within minutes. So but some people have to learn this skill. Without learning the sales skills, you won't be able to successful in the coming era. So it could be the relationship building, it could be that you have the power to negotiate, you have the power to influence, to fascinate other people to make the product sold. It is not a physical product, even the education we are giving, or any other field where this sales skill is very much required. Then the next field which will be coming in the boom, that is of the language translators. Language translators, as we know that now due to the digital technology, so the people will be working in the different countries, as already the world has been turned into a global village, and there are no barriers to work, to educate themselves, to earn money, to do job, or to do business or the trade in the different parts of the world. But earlier, the people's first preference were always to have the physical translators, and the people were mostly working in the English speaking countries or the developed countries. But nowadays, if the person has to work in the regional places, so they have to be very much sound in that particular or the regional language. So if they are not able to, in that case, they can easily hire a translator online, and this field is going to be in high demand in the coming era. So you may learn any language of your interest, even if someone wants to work in India also. India is a country of diversity, and if you move from one part to another part of the country, so there are numerous languages going through. Even you are only at the distance of 50 kilometers, the slang of the particular language that gets changed. So if you start learning different languages, so this will definitely prove a good source of earning for you. So then the sixth, which is again very interesting, it is the content writing. Content writing is does not mean that you have to be a very good writer. It is actually the copywriting that nowadays, due to the digital technology, the companies will definitely hire some bloggers, website designers, some email writers, and also advertisers. For the advertisers, they need to advertise their product on the Facebook and Insta, and to sell their product on that. For that reason, they need copywriters. Copywriters are people who are writing the content for the country. So there is no barrier for grammatical skills or for language proficiency. If you have a good language, in that case you can easily work on the content writing or the copywriting and can also learn good money. So this could be a good choice for you people. Start learning this skill, which is going to be quite profitable in the coming future. So the seventh one is online teaching. Online teaching, it is my field also, as I'm teaching online IELTS and OET classes, and so this is very interesting field. So earlier there was time when the people had the offline classes because there was no other option. People had to go to the colleges, they had to go to the institutes to learn their education, to get well equipped with their desired streams, or to prepare themselves for the particular test. But now online training has become the first choice of the people, because they are not able to go to the institutes. And in the future also, people will demand online tutors, and if you learn this skill, it is not only that the high classes, but this will be helpful for individual teachers for the small or the young children also. So this is a very profitable business to rise in the future. So the people will try to have individual one-on-one tutors for their children, for themselves also. So people, you should try to learn this skill, and well equipped with all these skills, and do mastery in any of the skill to earn good amount for your livelihood. Thanks a lot for watching this movie, for watching this video, and giving me that much support. So I'll be back very soon with my latest updates and the latest videos. Thank you so much for your support.